we assign that access sequence in the condition type, and then we define the pricing procedure, and then we did the assignment. How your pricing procedure determined, right? Now, okay. Now, when I was showing you, when we were doing this OVKK, the pricing procedure determination, I told you there is one field for condition type, right? This is one field, right? It is determination, sales area, then your document pricing procedure, your customer pricing procedure, and this is your pricing procedure that will come in your sales order. But what is the role of this condition type? Let's see. This is also one of the interview question because this is something which is coming in the determination string, right? So what is the role of this one? We'll see that one. Right over G. Let's see. So as of now, we have not maintained anything, right? Let me go back and let me create a sales order for us. You see this line, right? Condition type. What is the value you see here?
No value.
No value. Now let us maintain something there. Since we have only one condition type in our pricing procedure, that only we can maintain, right? I mean, what is the condition type we have? That we have zero, right? So that only we can maintain. Let's see. That we are zero. Now let's see it. Now let me create another screen and then we'll see the difference. Zero, one. Now what is the value?
ZPRO.
It came, right? So now what is the advantage I have now? I don't have to go to line item condition. Since it's the automatic condition, so it's coming automatically. Let's say it's a manual condition, right? What would be the advantage? I don't have to come here to enter the value. Let us do one more thing. What kind of condition is ZPR0? Manual or automatic?
Manual.
How manual? Are we putting this value 30? Are we putting this 30 value or it is coming automatically?
Automatic.
Then how come your ZPR0 is manual? It's automatic condition type, right?
Yeah.
Don't confuse. Okay, let us do one thing. Uh, Also, how you can know whether it's a condition is manual or automatic? I'll show you. But this was ZPR0, right? ZPR0. You see, there is access sequence assigned, right? So you are telling system that for ZPR0, go to this access sequence and then what we have maintained in the access sequence, you have maintained this combination or these sequences you have maintained or search strategy as I told you. So system will go to this access sequence and then system will search the condition record based on these three parameters. So it all happens automatically, right? We are not doing manually. So wherever the success sequence is there in the condition type, that means it's the automatic condition type. Yes. Now uh, let us create one more condition type. PR double zero is where PR double zero. PMP zero. PMP zero. I want to create one manual condition type. Actually, I'm just trying to see. Yeah. See, do we have access sequence here?
No, they.
That means PNP0 is a manual condition, because whenever this PNP0 will be coming into a sales document, since this condition type doesn't have any access sequence, system will not do anything automatically, right? So you have to enter it. Let's do one thing. Let's copy this and we'll create our own condition type. Let's say ZMP0. Okay, we'll give some other name. Okay, so we have created ZMP0 manual testing. Since it doesn't have access sequence, that means it is a manual condition type. Let's save it. Now I want to assign this condition type in my pricing procedure. How can I do it? I want to assign ZMP0 into our pricing procedure. How can I do it?
Assign it to condition record and then it will get.
No, condition record is another next step. No, as of now, we have created this pricing procedure, right? And
Yeah.
this pricing procedure has only one condition type, right? I want to add ZMP0 here in the second line in this pricing procedure. How I will do in SAP? Anyone?
Mm,
Create a condition type for another type.
Condition type already created, na? ZMP0 we have created, right?
Yeah.
Then what is the next step? Which code I should go, or which SPRO path I have to go?
don't know, Deepak. I'm getting confused a little bit.
Okay, no problem. So what we have done so far, we created our one condition type that we are zero. That was automatic condition. We have one access sequence also assigned to it. And what we did, we created one pricing procedure and we assigned this condition type into this pricing procedure, correct? Now I want to add one more condition type into a pricing procedure. So first we have to go to pricing procedure first, right? Because there only I want to add it. So I'll go to VK11 first. Then what is my pricing procedure? It was something starting with Z. This one, correct? Here only I want to add this, right? So where I have to go? VK08 only, no? In the pricing procedure I have to add it. Okay? Now let's
Yeah.
create one more entry. Since 10 is already there, I want to add here. So what I have to number I have to give?
20.
20 or anything greater than 10. Correct? If I give 5, what will happen? It will come before this ZPRG. Let's see. If I give a step 5, I don't know whether it will take long, but let's see. Or ZMP0. Okay? Let's save it for time being. We'll delete it later. Okay? See what happened? Where did ZMP0 came?
Yeah, it came as manual price testing.
Manual price, but where it came? Before ZPR0 or after ZPR0?
Before.
Before. But what I wanted after ZPR0, right?
After.
So what I have
Yeah.
to do? First we have to delete it first. You have to delete it, you select it, and then from here you can delete this line, right? Now I have to go to new entry. Now what is the step number should I give?
More than 10.
Anything more than 10, 100, 200, 500, anything is fine. But let's say 20. Okay. Now I have to go CMP0, ZMP0. It's a manual price. Let's forget about all this control. We'll see all this later. Save it. Now my pricing procedure contains two condition types. This is automatic, this is manual, right? Let's save it. Now let's create a sales order. Let's see. As of now, in my pricing procedure, only one condition was coming, right? Because this was only there. Now let us create a new order and let's see. Okay, one or two. See, this also coming now. If you go to analysis also, you can see this one. See, this is what our pricing procedure, right? We have two condition type in our pricing procedure here, right? Now, since this is a manual condition, SAP has not got any value for that. What we have to do? We have to enter manually. Let's say I'm entering 90. See, automatically this deactivated. This become active. Why? Because both are having the condition class as price. Yes. Now let's do one thing. Uh, Now since we have two condition type, let's do one thing. So we take it. Instead of ZPR0, now I have press F4, I get two options now. Giving everything. You cannot assign anything. So if I assign anything, let's say I'm assigning this PRP0, okay, or PPR0, PPR0. It will not allow me. Why did it saying? Anyone read this message?
Condition type PPRO is not in procedure of ZP RICP.
Okay. Why it is saying? Because in our pricing procedure, security code is Z0 here. If I go to pricing procedure and if I go to our pricing procedure, what we have created, that condition is itself is not here. That's what it is saying. Okay. It is saying PPR0 is not in this pricing procedure. It's correct only, right? It's not there. So whatever, I mean, what condition you can enter here, whatever is the part of this pricing procedure. So we can enter only these two values. So let's put ZMP0 for time being now. Now it is allowing me. Why? Because this is part of this pricing procedure, right? Yeah. Let's do it. Now let's create a sales order now. Okay. I don't have to go to item level. I can simply type the condition here. And I mean the value I can enter here 40. Right? Now if I go inside, go to condition, at 40 automatically came. I don't have to enter manually. I don't have to come to this level, right? So that's the only advantage of maintaining that condition type here. Okay. If someone asks you what is the function of this condition type, so it gives you an option at the sales order overview screen itself that you can maintain the price there only. This is the overview screen basically, right? Here itself I can enter the value. I can change it also. Let's say I maintain it 30 or let's say 20. If I go to condition, it automatically change to 20. I don't have to come to this level to change it. So that's the only advantage we have. Okay, just give me 1 second, guys. Sorry. Clear up to here? Now we have two condition type in our pricing procedure. Now let's see the other controls what we have in pricing. So as of now, we have just covered, let's say, 5% of pricing. Okay, we have just created one simple condition type which has one access sequence. In that access sequence, there are three condition table. One is automatic, one is manual. That's it. Okay, this is what we have done so far. Let's see what else we have. Manual condition record, how we maintain it? VK11. We have done it. I mean, we have done it already, right? For that this condition type, we have already maintained this condition record, right? These three combinations and this value we have already maintained. So this is what we call it condition record. This is also part of your master data. What are the master data in SAP SD? What kind of different master data we have in SAP SD?
Customer master, material master,
And what else?
condition master,
Condition master and what else? There is one more.
Customer
CMIR.
Correct.
info record.
So right now, whatever we are maintaining in VK11, that is a condition record, condition master or price master. Okay, sometimes people call it price master or sometimes they call it condition master. Okay. So this is done. This price list is a little bit complicated. We have said no, let's not go to that level. There are few discount types also. Okay. Discount will have a different condition class, okay, that we offer instantly to the customer. Right, some type of discount. If you buy something from your online shop or you go to some shop, they give some 5% discount. That discount is applied that time itself, right? You can also maintain. Let's do one thing. Uh, you want us to maintain one discount condition type also?
Yeah, Deep.
Okay, then let's do one thing. Let's create so there are three condition types actually which you can use. You can use any one. Tell me which one should I create. Each work will on different different combination. K004 will work on based on your material. K005 will work on customer plus material. K007 will work on only customer. Now tell me which one should I create. Anyone you can create, that's fine.
Customer plus material.
K005.
Yeah, because we use more.
Okay, that's fine, no problem. Um, now I have to create one condition type, right? I don't want to play around with the standard one, right? I can use this K005 also. But as I said, you always create your own condition type so that you don't damage the standard configuration. So we have to copy this K005 now. What is K0? First let us see K005. You see, what is the condition class here? Discount or surcharge. Okay. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's create first. So what I will do, I will delete this. I will add here. So ZK05 is the discount condition type which we have created. Let's save it. Let's go to our Excel also. This was price only, right? The other one is also price. Now we are creating for discount. ZK05, right? This we will create automatic. To make it automatic, how you will know? You should have your access sequence, right? There is the access sequence already in place. You can use this also, or you can create your own also. What you want? You want to create a new sequence for this one, or you want to go ahead with this one also? Both will work. How you guys want?
We used one.
We use
We used one Z.
this success sequence you want to use, which we created.
Yeah,
This one.
yeah.
Okay, fine. ZASQ. ZASQ. So what we have done, we are using the same access sequence, basically the same search strategy we are also assigning to this one also, right? Let's save it. So now if I create my fake order, will I be able to see this condition type in my pricing in my sales document?
No pricing procedure want to
Right, because we have not assigned it to pricing code. You have defined it, that's fine, but we have not assigned it. Where I will assign it?
pricing procedure.
T code?
V/V/08.
08. Correct. These all things you will not see. Whatever we are doing, we are just taking a very simple example, okay? And this pricing you will not do anyway. At least during your initial 5 or 6 years experience, okay? They don't give this pricing to some junior people actually. Okay, but if you know it's good. Okay, it's always good to know more. If you know more, maybe they will see. Okay, you know something more about pricing, so maybe they will give something related to pricing to you also. Okay, so you will. The more you work, the more you learn basically. Now I want to add here, right? Let us go to inventory. Let us go 30. What was the condition type? That is 05, right? Let's save it. Now let me create this order. We go to analysis. It is appearing here. But since we have not maintained any condition record for this ZK05, it is not appearing as of now. Right? Now what we have to do, let's say I have to give some 10% discount. I have to maintain some condition record, right? VK11, ZK05. Which convention you want to maintain? Anyone make a pick.
Customer plus material.
Okay, so first one was right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's say material and let's say now you see this discount is given not on percentage, it is giving a discount based on value, basically 5 rupees, right? Let's save it first, I'll show you. Correct? This discount is not working on percentage, this discount is working flat. 5 rupee flat, 5 rupee discount, 100 rupee flat discount, that kind of discount it is, not on percentage. Let's save it. Okay. Now let's get another order. Give me change. You see how this pricing is working now? The base price was 30 rupee per one piece, right? So your total price became 90 rupee because you have three pieces. Now what you said on top of that, I want to give 5 rupee discount for each pieces, right? So 5 multiplied by 3, 15 rupee discount is there. Then 90 minus 15, how much is left?
75.
So that's what it came here. Clear? Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's do one more thing. So this discount is working basically on flat rate. Let's put some more discount. I can change this condition type itself, but I want to get one more that. So now let's take this condition type. You see, the calculation here is percentage. Okay, let me open our that K05 in parallel side by side so that you know the difference. How system know whether this discount is a flat discount or some is flat? Six. I have already opened. It will not allow me to open two places simultaneously. So let's like this. What is the calculation type for ZK05?
Percentage because it's
No,
discount.
no, ZK05. This one. Calculation type.
Quantity
Quantity. That means you have to give some value. 5 rupee per pieces. 10 rupee
like
discount
that.
per pieces. But here it will be based on percentage. 5% discount, 10% discount. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's copy this one. Okay. And we will do ZK30. Okay. Okay, I will change this sequence again to our own sequence only so that you will confuse. So what we are doing again? We are creating one more discount condition type that is supposed to do its calculation based on percentage. Okay. ZK30. Let's add it here. So we are adding one more condition type ZK30. What kind of condition it is? Manual, automatic?
Automatic.
Automatic. What kind of price component it is? Price, discount, tax, what it is?
Discount.
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 Discount. Now what I have to do next? I have created this condition type. What I have to do next?
Pricing procedure.
Right. Not pricing procedure. You need to say we have to assign this condition type to our pricing procedure. Okay.
Pricing procedure.
Let's go back. Let's put it here. Right. 40. ZK30. Okay. Save it. Is it done? Now it will come automatically. Now if I create my sales order, will it come automatically?
No, we have to create another sales order.
What? No. Okay. If I create new sales order, it will come. The value. What will be the value? What percentage it will take? I create a sales order, what percentage it will take?
40%.
From where that 40% will come?
Okay, ZK30.
From where it will take 40% automatically? Tell me. You take 40%, right? From where this 40% will come automatically?
Because we gave that in condition record, right? Like percentage calculation
We have
for.
just told the system that this condition type will work for as a discount. It is automatic discount type. Calculation will
Yeah.
be done based on percentage. But where have you told the percentage? What percent? What percent have you told so far to the system in SAP anywhere?
We haven't told, I
Right. Then
guess.
what do you need to do that for to do that one? What you need to do?
Mm,
Let me go here. Maybe internet will give you some idea. What we have done or what is missing in this one? For ZK30, whatever we have done and what is missing.
mm, we have to add it in condition table.
Condition table we already use. Na? Same condition table we are using, right? This is
Condition record.
right. Condition record is missing. Everything we did. We created this condition
Okay.
type. We told it's automatic. It's a discount. We assigned it in the pricing
Mm-hmm.
procedure. But from where this value come? Value comes from a condition record. Have you maintained it? No.
Yeah.
Then it will
Mm.
not come. No. Let me show you. Maybe you people may get confused. Let me show you right away. If I create a sales order now, VK11, I have not maintained condition record so far. Let's see. What is it coming? ZK30?
No,
I mean, it is appearing in your pricing procedure, but does it have any condition
but
record? No, no.
no.
Then why it will come? It is not coming. Let's maintain the condition record now. T code to maintain condition record.
VK11.
VK11. What is the condition type which we are going to maintain?
ZK30.
Okay, 30. Which combination you want? Anyone you can take. Anything is fine. Which one you want me to take?
Take first one.
Okay, let's take first one only. Let's say, let's do some 10%. Now you notice it automatically took 10%. Right? Let me open another window. Let me show you how we have maintained for that T05. What is the T code to display the condition record?
VK30.
13, right? Okay, 13. I want to show you that K05. First combination. This is the record. Let me execute it. Now notice automatically system understood 5 rupee, right? But in this condition record, it is automatically taken percentage. How it understood? It has to go to percentage.
We maintain in document.
No, we maintained the condition type, right? The calculation type we maintained, right? Let me go to you,
Yeah, yeah. We maintain it as a percentage.
right?
That's quantity and
Quantity and
percentage
percentage, right? So don't say in the in pricing or in document, we maintained in the condition type,
condition.
right? That K05, let's see. So we have maintained the calculation type as quantity. So that is why it is coming INR. And for K30, what we have maintained? Percentage. So from
Percent.
your system understood, you see, both are VK11 only. This one and this one, right? Both are VK11. But see, the fields are different based on the condition type and the other configurations. This field is becoming different, behaving different. The structure is same basically, the combination, the value, validity, everything is fine, but this is controlled by the condition or the condition calculation type, how your calculation has to happen, correct? Yeah, so
Yeah.
let's make 10%. It's giving some minus also, so just leave it. I have not entered minus, it automatically took it. Okay. System automatically added that minus, so don't remove. Okay, let's save it.
Yeah, Deepak, we can change that condition type also, no? Quantity to percentage.
Yeah,
We
that you can
change.
change. That you can change. I can make this ZK0 to work as the amount wise also. But I wanted to show you both at the same time. I did change what ZK05 actually. Okay, so this is
Okay.
working on a amount basis, right? And this is
Yeah,
working on a percentage basis. Okay,
percentage.
I wanted to show you both actually, or you can change to this one also, it will work. Okay, it's basically that the controlling condition type. You change it accordingly, it will work. So we have maintained some 10%, correct? Let's delete this photo, it will confuse you. So now in my pricing procedure, how many condition types I have? Four
Four
types.
types.
Now let's create. Sales order again. VA01. In the real world, at least 20, 30 condition types will be there, okay? And there will be different complicated logics will also work actually. So it's not that simple that we are doing right now, but to understand you and to make you understand, I'm taking very simple example. Let me maintain some customer master data. It is asking me again and again that payment term and all those things, right? Let me maintain it. Where is payment term? Let's maintain input term. Is from where maintain it both the places. We upload the right. So now if you create it, so it's not asked like payment term and all those things. What is it? Let's give an example. First one. Okay. Now see the pricing. How it is working. What was the base price here? 30.
30. 30.
After that, what you told? There is a discount of 5 rupee flat.
5
Then
rupees.
what is the now value? 25.
25.
Now on top of that 25, you sold. I mean, you told the system there is another 10% discount. 10% of
10%.
25 is
22.5.
22. 10% of this much. 10% of 25.
2.50.
2.50. Then it will minus from 25, right? 25 minus 2.5. So your final value is
Yeah.
22.5,
22.80.
right? So this is how your pricing works actually from top to bottom. Okay. Now clear up to here. Anyone have any doubt? We will create one more condition type maybe. Let's see what is there in the document, and then we will add if required. So as of now it's clear.
Yeah, there.
Okay. So let's see what else we have. There are so many things in pricing actually. That's why I want to take time to make you understand all those things.
I think tax.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Tax is actually, see, tax is not purely SD, right? So tax is something related to finance also, right? But we'll see. If required, we'll
Yeah,
see. But maybe we'll get some error. Maybe I don't know. So let's see. So we have created some discount condition type. Hmm, okay. This we have already done actually. This is 03 and all these for condition type we have already done it. So let's all this. It is creating another access sequence. We have used the same access sequence everywhere. Mm, Yes, we have already done. He is also using three condition type. In this example, we have used four. Fine. Maintaining condition record, which we have already seen. Now, yeah, some sort of surcharge. Okay, let's add one more. Let's copy this TF00. Okay, this is some sort of surcharge. Let's say freight charges or packing charges. Okay, so let's copy TF00. First, we have to see what is TF00. You can go to FPRO path also, okay, but to save time, I'm directly typing the T code. What was the condition type? The standard condition type, okay. You can create your own also, as I said, but it's always recommended to copy so that you don't have to maintain all those values in your condition type. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's take this only. Fine. So let's copy. You want to use this success sequence or you want to use our own? How you will want?
Our own will be better, I
Okay,
feel.
let's see what is there first. What is there in this access sequence? Let's see. What is the decode for access sequence?
V slash 03
No,
or 1.
7.
Uh, 7.
7 V slash
Okay,
7.
07. We are going for DF00. It has two. Okay, fine. Let's use. Let's use the base for input term. Let's not complicate. Let's use our own. Let's see so we have creating that AF0 extra surcharge basically. Okay, and this will be based on weight, but we'll see that. Let's not make it now. Surcharge level. It's also automatic, right? We have access sequence assigned, so it's also automatic. Now let's maintain condition record for that AF0. Which combination you want me to take?
Any is fine, right?
Yeah, tell me anyone, one first, second, third, anyone you tell me.
Like
First
first
one.
one.
First one.
Okay, so first one only. Okay, so what you are giving? 4 rupee discount per 1 ton. Clear? 4 rupee discount per ton. Let's save it now. So we have maintained, but let us see what is there in your material master, right? Because that how much weight and all this will come from where? From material master only, right? So let us see what is the gross weight and all we have maintained there. Let's see that. So here we just told 10 kg. Okay. But value got a gross weight or what? Let me see. What was the calculation type for that one? Gross weight. So calculation will happen based on gross weight. So what is the gross weight in our metal master? It's a 10 kg only. So for timing at least let's say 100 kg. Okay, let's save it. Now let's try to create a sales order. Let's see. This kg turn even I have to get confused actually. Let's see. Please. Okay. That can be available. That KF 0.
We not done pricing procedure, I think so. Assigning.
Right. So we have not assigned it. So why it will come? Where I can assign it? It says 0.
V
V
slash
slash
08.
08.
Entry 50. What was the condition? That
30.
no, not 30. That KF 0. No?
Oh,
Now it's there. Let's save it. Now let's create another order. Say it came. Now tell me the calculation, how it is going to calculation from starting. From the starting, how system is doing calculation for your price.
Base price is
Okay,
30.
then
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
okay, 25. Now,
Again 2%, 10%
right,
discount,
discount.
then 22.5. Then
Add
and
4 rupees.
add
0.40.
why 4?
0.4.
I mean, we have
Yeah.
maintained 4. Why it came 0.4?
Because ton
For
means
1 ton.
1000, no?
Right. 1
Yeah.
1000
ton means
kgs.
1000 kg. And what is the weight of
Yeah.
your material?
1 kg.
1
1
kg.
kg, 100 kg.
No, no, 100 kgs,
100
100 kg.
kg. One piece, na?
100.
Gross
1.
weight was 100
Oh,
kg,
1
na?
piece.
So it's
Okay.
10%. I mean, 10% of your 1 ton, right? So this is why it is
Yeah, yeah.
taking 0.4. Clear?
0.40.
So now let me do one more thing. Let us change the gross weight there. Let us make it some. Let us make it some 2000 maybe.
1000 kg.
Or let's make it 2000 now.
Hmm.
Okay. Now let's create another order. You see,
8 rupees.
right?
Yeah.
It was
Double.
2000, right? But it was 2 ton basically,
2000.
right? So 4
Yeah.
is for 1. And you see, this 4 is added here. And if you see precisely, wherever the discount is there, it is adding some minus value. You see, this minus you notice. So that means it is some sort of discount. But you see, this is something surcharge. You said I will charge some 4 rupee per ton for carrying your goods. So this is a surcharge. Surcharge means some additional cost basically, additional price or additional amount that customer has to pay, right? So this was a surcharge. These two were discount. This is surcharge. It is working based on gross weights. So far we have seen three calculation type, right? One amount wise, on a percentage basis, on a gross weight basis. Correct? Let's stop here only as of now. Any confusion so far? Or let me see if anything is more. Any confusion? Anyone?
No, Deepak.
No, they
Just a little confusion, like in understanding the procedure and all.
You
Once we
can create,
practice,
but
we'll
I
get
will
to know.
suggest no. You take this reference. As of now, in our pricing procedure, there are 5 condition type, right? It is working fine. So you create your own
Yeah.
condition type. Let's say that PRIC1 or anything. You copy these 5 condition type. You create your own condition type. Okay. Then you
Okay.
can check how it behaves, how it working, which is missing, which is not. There are only 5 steps, right? You create some condition table. You combine those condition table into access sequence. That access sequence you will assign
Access
to condition type. That
condition.
condition type you will assign into pricing procedure. That's it. And after that, what one more
Yeah.
thing, master data condition record you have to maintain. That's it. Okay. So if you do, you will come to know which is missing, what is missing, and how you can analyze. You go to analysis and you see. Okay. It will help you to understand. But unless you don't do it, it will look much easier. Oh, it's very easy. We have added 5 condition type. It is working fine. No. And this will not be this simple. Okay. As I said, we have just covered at least like, I would say like 5 to 10% of pricing only. Not even 5 to 10 also, I would say. Okay. But at least now, if any order is there, you can see how this value is coming. Now you can tell someone how this 30.5 is coming, how system is doing this calculation. Okay. From where values are coming. Let's say this was the manual price, right? So let's say I'm making it 40, or let's say I'm making 50. See, this also got changed, right? Because this is my now base price. It has become reactive. Now calculation can happen based on 50, right? 50 minus 5, 45. 45, 10% of 45 is 4.5. Then on top of that, 8 rupee we have to add. So your value will become 48.5. Okay. Yeah, let's stop here only. Let's not complete it. We have done surcharge. And maybe next class we will try to create one table for condition record for tax also. Okay. So let's stop here. Remember the page number 183.